Hey guys, welcome back to New Generation Welding. I'm making this quick review about this tungsten handheld grinder. This is my second one I had. When I first seen this ones, I think too much money for it. I think it was overrated. I was like, I can just live with the bench grinder, but I ended up getting one. And first when I got it, I was burning through the little wheels like crazy, but then I started taking my time grinding tungsten, and now they seem to last me a long time. Each wheel, because they're not that cheap, but they're like $15 per wheel, or I can't remember, $7. But I found some at M&R's. It's a 5 pack for $5, and they work just like the ones from the company. So this is a PowerPoint by techsouth. Serial number is 104260, and it can do 1/8, 330 seconds, 116, and probably a .040. So I pretty much use 116 tungsten and a .040 thousandths tungsten. Sometimes I use 330 seconds, but not that often. So here's the machine. It has speed control right here, high, medium, low. I keep it at medium, and it does get a little warm after you're on it for a few minutes, but lock switch, and pretty much right here is where you stick your tungsten, and then you can set up your angle. Depends how pointy you want your cone to be. And then up here there's a little cutoff, so you can cut your tungsten in half, or the tip of it. When like when you're doing aluminum, that you get a lot of stuff in the tip, you can just cut the tip and then go right ahead. And then up here you can see the little hoses where like you can square your ends or flatten your ends. Like if you got it really sharp and then it's not, so you do aluminum, you want a little flat in the front, you can just go right on there. And then this ones right here are you can see your dies for different sizes. Here's the 116, and this is the 1/8, and I got on the 330 seconds. I use the 330 second, just keep that one on. I use it for 116 and 330 seconds, because if I put the 116, if I got like for example this crap here, it won't fit. So if I keep the 330 seconds, I can just go right in and clean it. So what you really mean to do is have the 116 on, and then you can cut the tip right here. Cut this off right here, and then probably go get it on the hole, get it straight right there, and then come back and sharpen your tungsten. I like how smooth, like like how smooth it, like no grinding marks. And then it makes a big difference when you weld it. Like I do a lot of 24 gauge, 22 gauge, sometimes 26 gauge stainless, or really 50,000, 40,000 aluminum. So having no scratch marks on your tungsten makes a huge difference when you start your arc. Huge difference when it comes to starting your arc. right here, compared to a bench grinder, where you get all. My bench grinder does a pretty good job, but you notice it when I weld really thin stuff. So I'm gonna try to see if I can sharpen this one right here, 116, and it's a little loud, but not too bad. So I just hold it like this. I start it up. And I stick it in there. Quick. It doesn't get as hot as with the bench grinder. I'm trying to focus. Perfect. So now on the cutting part, sometimes you gotta be careful because it might drop in your hand and it's hot. I try to put a glove on this one. So you can do it upside down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the head of using the side. That's it. So now we're going to take it to the top. Make that all square up. That way when you take it over here, it'll be even and you don't have your cone going to one side when it's not even. I just take my time. That's it, you know, even though I do it slow, even though I'm doing it pretty slow, it's still much faster than a bench grinder, and I'm not burning my fingers trying to hold over there, and you know, after you do it on a bench, all your fingers be hurting. So this one's, you know, pretty quick, simple. And here are the results. So now we look at the inside. I'll show you guys that diamond wheel. Lock it. Then you can use those once the top of your diamond the top of your diamond wheel wears out, you can just flip it over and use the other side. So basically one wheel lasts you twice. So here's the wheel. So once this side wears out, you can flip it over and use the back side. You know, mine's already worn out the other side, so I just flipped it over, and I'm using this surface over here to, and then you just change it, and that's pretty much it. So you can adjust your angle with this. This thing's screw on and off. Like this. Then you can change it over to whatever size you need. But I keep it on 30 seconds. So that's it, guys, for this. Hope you guys get a better understanding of what these things look like, and they do an amazing job grinding these things, and I really love it. I really like it, and I know they got some better. I think that some battery ones. You know, I wish I had the money to buy one of them, but it's okay. All right, and leave any comments, subscribe, and like the video. And this was New Generation Welding. Thank you guys for watching.